Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 6th of September. Looking at the weather chart, we can see the main feature is this cold front crossing the southeast of the country. Now that could bring damaging wind gusts, elevated fire dangers, rainfall, possibly even some flooding over Tasmania. So for more information about that weather system, make sure you check out our severe weather video, also posted today with all the details of that weather system. Across the rest of the country, though, we do have a large high pressure ridge, keeping things relatively settled and dry. There is a strong easterly flow pushing some showers into the east coast of Queensland, and also a vigorous southwesterly winds pushing some showers onto southwestern parts of Western Australia. But zooming in on Queensland, those showers along the east coast mostly expected to be single-digit rainfall, a little bit more perhaps along the north tropical coast. But those easterly winds are keeping temperatures below average along much of the east coast. However, further inland, we are expecting temperatures 2 to 8 degrees above average for this time of year. Brisbane heading for a partly cloudy top of 26 degrees, which is bang on average for September. In New South Wales, we are expecting a warm and windy day. Again, the potential for damaging wind gusts and elevated fire danger, so see our other video for details. But most of the state is expecting temperatures 6 to 12 degrees above the average for this time of year. Sydney expecting a sunny but windy top of 30 degrees, 10 degrees above average for September. Through Victoria, we have a cold front pushing showers across the state over the course of the day. Ahead of that front, another warm and windy day, temperatures 6 to 10 degrees above average. A warm day in Melbourne, 24 degrees, but showers increasing, and the temperature will drop perhaps up to 5 degrees in a short period of time as that front comes through during the afternoon. In Tasmania, a wet and windy day with the passage of the cold front as well, although we're not expecting the winds to be as strong as we've seen in recent fronts. During the afternoon and evening, we're expecting the showers to mostly contract to the west and the south of the state. Hobart heading for a top of 18 degrees ahead of that front, but it will cool off behind the front, and in the cold air behind the front, there could be some small hail through the west and south, and maybe even some snow down to about 900 metres later in the day. Moving into South Australia, we do see showers pushing through southern districts, maybe into southern parts of the pastorals, but through the north, warm and windy with the potential for raised dust in the northeast. Adelaide heading for a top of 20 degrees, maybe rain developing during the morning, but tending to clear in the late afternoon or evening as the front moves away. Over in the west, some showers and thunderstorms in the east as that system clears, but across the rest of the state, a generally cool day, some morning frost in inland parts of the southwest, perhaps some showers, maybe even some small hail or a rumble of thunder through parts of the southwest. Perth expecting a top of 18 degrees, little warmer than today, but still below average for this time of the year, a shower or two there. In the north, we could see a few showers along the East Arnhem district, perhaps along the Kimberley coast, but otherwise we're expecting generally settled conditions, temperatures close to average through the north. Darwin a top of 34 degrees, slight chance of an early shower and then a mostly sunny day. But down in southern parts of the Northern Territory, we've got warm and windy conditions with gusty northerly winds. Alice Springs heading for a top of 35 degrees. And that's it for our national weather forecast. As always, make sure you stay up to date with the forecasts for your location on the Bureau's website and our app, and we'll see you again tomorrow.